Cool. In this video, I would like to show you how you can create a professional YouTube channel using your Android device or your phone. So in case you are using your Android device, just get into your phone Play Store. Then click your name icon in the upper right hand side of the Play Store. Then just choose to expand your Gmail account where the Gmail account is. Then choose to add an account. After clicking to add an account, you'll be prompted to verify if the device is yours for security purposes, so that you can be allowed to add an account. Then you just to hit create account. So what many people make a mistake, they just choose for my personal use rather than for work or business. So in case you want to create a professional YouTube channel, which you can customize the name rather than the name in the domain, but I will show you how it applies. Just use for work or my business. Then wait for the login process to complete. Then you just put your first name or the name of your choice. Let me put the name. Then I'll just hit next to continue. After entering your name, you just put your date of birth. Enter your date of birth, which is here. I select my gender, then hit OK. So I have multiple speculation of my name. I will just go with the second option, XY9er. Then I just input a strong password for my YouTube channel. So you should just put your password. So just ensure you put a strong password to disallow any security compromises. So let me put a password which I will remember. So let me enter a password. Then you can choose to show the password. Then click next. So you can use this email address to sign in later. So I just click next. So I just review the terms and condition. Then I will agree to continue since I want to create it. Then wait for the verification to commence. So as we are waiting for verification to end, so remember to give the video a thumbs up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you will not be missing out any of our future content like this. So let me get back. Then you need to come back to your YouTube channel, then just click this name icon in the bottom right hand side of your YouTube, or in the other YouTube interfaces. It is under the upper right hand side of your YouTube. Just check for this icon. It differs based on various devices. Then click view channels. Now let me show you. So you just need to click the icon, then click switch account. After clicking switch account, you can see the account has already been added, so your account will also be added. Just click above it. Then after getting into your account, you need to hit the icon again, and then after hitting the after hitting the icon, you just need to hit create a channel, which is here, which is under your name, which is here. Just click create channel. Then you just need to, you can hit again create channel. So already the channel is created. So what you need to do, you can just hit again and then hit create channel again. Let me show you. Let it open. So after hitting create channel again, you can click create. let me show you. Then you can create, you can just hit